How to make BombBomb emails and texts. What is up? What is up? Ethan here. I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this video how I have kind of deconstructed and made BombBomb videos and texts my own. So we're going to be able to send emails that look exactly like BombBomb emails and send video texts very, very easily. So it's a really cool method to send videos very quickly through text. Okay, I'm going to show you that as well. That's actually really easy, actually super easy. So let's get into it. If you don't know what BombBomb is, I'm sure you're here. If you're here watching this, you probably know or have heard of BombBomb or familiar with it. But if you're not, BombBomb, essentially what it does is they're a big email marketing company that they really make it easy to send emails and video texts. Okay, they're all about videos, implementing videos into your email and into your text and into your marketing in general. Now, I'm going to disclaim, like, this is not a substitute for BombBomb. You know what they have built. You know, this is not like an email, a huge marketing platform, right? Like BombBomb is, and they integrate into everything. So, but if you're wanting to do this just on and off here, a little bit, an email here, text here. This is just this. I mean, you can literally do this yourself for free. So there's a 100% free method of how to do that. So if you guys are ready, I'm going to share my screen here and we're going to get it rolling. So this is what we're talking about right here. This is it. This is what we've achieved. This is what I've achieved. So this is not BombBomb. BombBomb did not create this. I created this. Okay. And this is just Gmail. This is just a Gmail email right here. I mean, you can input this image. This is a GIF image into really pretty much majority of email marketing platforms out there, right? So nothing fancy, nothing crazy here. It's just a GIF image. And all you do is from here is you just link your video to this video, or you link your video to this image, I'm sorry. And, so once they click this and they go right to the video. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So the first step in this is, drum roll, have a video or create a video. Create a video, right? You need a video. You need something. You need the content, right? So create a video, create the video that you want. And from there, we're going to go, this is what I like to do, is we're going to go to Google Drive, okay? So we're going to go here. So we're in Google Drive. This is kind of where I store a bunch of, as you can see, GIF images, MP4s, all my videos, and GIFs, okay? Just create a folder in there in Google Drive, and you can upload. I mean, I have 30 gigs. I've uploaded tons of videos into Google Drive, and I've only used 7.7 out of 30 gigs. So there's a lot of storage. You can even add storage in there if you need to. So that's the first thing. Make a video on your webcam, your phone, upload it to Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive, I don't know what you're doing. Just go get it. It's free. Go get your Google Drive, That's this method. I'm sure this method works with Apple storage and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you this method because this is how I do it, okay? Once you've done that, we're going to use this video as an example here. You're going to right click, we're going to make sure this video is shareable, okay? So this may or may not be on, but we're going to go into share settings anyways here. And then we're going to go onto this drop down and we're going to hit more. I like to just view it like this and make sure that this is selected, okay? Anyone with the link, anyone who has the link can access, no sign on required. So it's going to go right to our video, and it literally, Google is hosting the storage of our video, okay? So make sure that's saved. We're going to save that. And now what we want to do is copy this link, okay? And what I like to do is I like to open up a notepad. I like to open up a notepad, but what we're going to do is actually, let's go into Google Docs right here. So you can just open up like a Google Docs here. Hit a blank one here. Okay, so we're in here. So Google Docs. Let me pull. So we're in Google Docs here. We're going to paste our link in here. And now here's the magic. Here's the secret. Okay, so we have our link. This is what we need. So copy this down, save this, write it down. This is the link that we want to use. Let me increase the size of this puppy here. So this is the link that we want to use right here. So copy this string down. This is what we're going to use majority. We're going to actually remove this link. Can I remove this link? Clear formatting. Whatever. Okay. No big deal. Gosh, I want to remove this link here. Nope. Okay. All right. No worries. No worries. So we're going to, let me see if I can just remove this. Paste without formatting. Select. I don't know how to unlink this. Okay. It doesn't matter. So we take this link here. We're going right in between. This is what we need. We're taking a part of this link, our share link, right in between where it says view your link. Yours is going to look slightly different. The end and the beginning is going to look the same, okay? But it's not. So we're going to use this string right here. And just trust me, don't use this link. You use the one that we're creating here. We're going to take this little string of code right here, okay? And we're going to copy that. And we are going to paste it right after this. Oh, geez. See, now this is what in the heck? Okay. So, paste without formatting. There we go. What? There we go. Let's change the size. There we go. There's your URL. So you're taking this part right here is from this part of the URL. You can do this with any video you have in the Google Drive, okay? And so this is your link. This is your link to your video. If you copy this and we go paste this, it's gonna open up your video that you have stored in your Google Drive. Bam, there it is. It's playing. It automatically starts playing, okay? That's step number 2. So this is for the email. This is for the email. So texting is actually a lot easier, basically. If you want to, so we're going to continue on this email on how to create the GIF, okay? Now, to create your GIF, we're going to Canva. If you don't have Canva, I'm going to put a link in the description right down there. Go grab Canva. It is completely free. I'll put a link to Canva Pro in there as well if you want to grab Canva Pro. It gives you tons more capabilities in Canva. So a link to that will be there as well, okay? So we're going to Canva, all right? We're going to create a design. We're going to do custom dimensions, all right? And we're going to type 650 by 366, okay? Create the design, okay? I already have it made here. So we have this up right here. I'm going to make this a little less big here. Here we go. So create this. It'll be a blank image. Let's just create it. So it'll be a blank image. It'll look just like this. Okay. Now what we're going to do is a video that you have, there's a few ways you can create the GIF. What I do is I take about a second to 2 seconds and I trim the beginning of the video that I recorded. Okay. Trim the beginning of the video, get a little, the first second or first 2 seconds, trim that, save as, trim that video. You can store that wherever you want. And then we're going to upload that to Canva. Okay. I'm sure there's a few other ways to do this. This is how I like to do it because now we're going to have access to, we're going to be able to then customize our image to make it look nice and pretty when we send it through email, right? So that's how we're gonna do it. So upload that video. These are little videos that you can upload to Canva, okay? And then we're gonna put the videos right in here. So we have the video in here. Boom, there we go. Now you create this, you know, play with it, make it your own. You can change the color, whatever you want. This is what BombBomb has that, or BombBomb doesn't have, right? The customization options that you can do here in Canva. So when you're done with that, you're gonna click the download and file type, you're gonna save it as a GIF. Save it as a GIF, okay? Make sure you save it as a GIF, okay? And we're doing this size. We're doing this size right here, 650 by 366. Sorry, I'm gonna explain that. Just to keep the file size down because a lot of places, a lot of email marketing places, upload, you know, this file can actually be quite large. So you want to make sure you're able to upload it to whatever platform you're on. So this little image right here, when we download, it's probably going to be like 3 megs or something like that. Now you can compress it and, you know, and all that, but you know, who wants to do that, right? Make it small, make sure it's under a file size, you know, that's good for you. And let's move on, right? So now we have the GIF image. Once you downloaded it, you're good to go. Go into your Gmail or whatever email you want to put it in and just put it in. And then you just link, we take the link, this link here, right? And we just link that image to the video. We just add this link to that image in your email or whatever it is. And that's it. That's it. That's how you create the BombBomb-esque emails. Now for texting, it's a lot easier, to be honest with you. If you wanted to text the video to somebody, this opens up our video. All you have to do is grab this link, go to, and this is what you can just text this link to somebody, but I would prefer to receive a smaller link just to make it look better and you can actually customize it. Go to something like Bitly over here. Bitly's completely free, okay? Get a Bitly account, and all you're gonna do is paste the URL right there, and there you go. It has this little pretty link. You can even change this part of the link to make it say, I don't know, whatever, you know, here's your video, Jack or Jill or whoever it is, whoever you're sending it to. You can customize it, you know, make it fun, make it cool, right? So and that's all you do. You can just send this right through text, right? Bam, that's it. And you can knock those out. I mean, this is pretty easy. All you do, you create the video, and then you upload it to Google Drive, get the link, customize the link using this right here, this string of code right there, okay? You take the inside of the link right here, copy that, and you paste it right behind here, okay? So you can see this is different. It's a different link, okay? So use this one. Trust me, use this link. Use this one. But that's really it. That's how I do it. That's how it's done right there. This is you know, it's a fairly simple process. You know, it's pretty easy. Hopefully you liked the video. Hope you learned a little trick here. You know, obviously on a huge scale, could be time consuming, but really it's not that bad. You know, for texting, it's super quick. You could, you know, literally you just upload right to Google Drive, bam, link. That's it. You know, you can just have these links, you know, ready to go. It's very easy, very, very easy to text somebody a video, and it opens up, you know, right to it. What I recommend is before you upload, you know, say you record your video, little trick here, record your video, and then with your editing or whatever, you know, put a little, put some text on there, on the video. You can do like you can record like a catch-all video, right, to send to a bunch of people, record it once, and then overlay text for the individual person, right? So if you're sending it to Jack one time, put a text, save the video with hey, Jack, I got a video for you, right? And that way when they open it, and then upload that one to Google Drive. So it's a lot of uploading, but you know, you can personalize it a lot nicer. You know, if you're sending it to 5 people, you know, shoot a 30 second video, upload it 5 times to Google Drive. No big deal, right? Who cares? But you know, make it personable. I think it's going to really help you guys out. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to be shooting a lot more of these real estate related things, Canva related things, marketing related things. So leave a comment if you have questions about the method at all. And if you want some more clarification, I tried to get it through about in 10 minutes. So hopefully I did that. But thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, take it easy. Bye.